Airplane.
एयरप्लेन एयरप्लेन हवाई जहाज
An airplane is a vehicle that flies in the sky and carries passengers or goods from one place to another. Train.
ट्रेन ट्रेन रेलगाड़ी
A train is a series of connected carriages that run on tracks and carry people or goods. Bicycle.
बाईसाइकिल बाईसाइकिल साइकिल
A bicycle is a two-wheeled vehicle that you move by pedaling with your feet. Bus.
बस बस
A bus is a large vehicle that carries many passengers, usually along a fixed route. Car.
कार कार गाड़ी
A car is a small motor vehicle used for carrying a few passengers. Motorcycle. Motorcycle. A motorcycle is a two-wheeled motor vehicle powered by an engine.
Ship.
शिप शिप जहाज
A ship is a large watercraft that travels on the sea to carry people or goods.
Boat.
बोट बोट किश्ती
A boat is a small water vehicle used for travel or fishing in rivers, lakes, or seas.
Helicopter.
हेलीकॉप्टर हेलीकॉप्टर
A helicopter is an aircraft that can take off and land vertically using rotating blades. Subway.
सबवे सबवे
Metro.
मेट्रो मेट्रो ज़ेरे ज़मीन रेल
A subway is an underground train system used in big cities for fast travel.
Space shuttle.
स्पेस शटल खलाई जहाज
A space shuttle is a spacecraft used to travel to and from space.
Horse carriage.
हॉर्स कैरेज घोड़ा गाड़ी
A horse carriage is a cart pulled by horses used for carrying people.
Skateboard.
स्केटबोर्ड
A skateboard is a small board with wheels used for riding in sports.
Jet ski.
जेट स्की
A jet ski is a small water vehicle powered by a motor, used for fun on water.
Monorail.
मोनोरेल
A monorail is a train that runs on a single rail, often used in modern cities.
Hovercraft.
hovercraft
A hovercraft is a vehicle that moves over water or land using a cushion of air.
Bullock cart.
bullock cart बैलगाड़ी
A bullock cart is a cart pulled by oxen used for carrying goods or people.
Caravan.
caravan segway
A caravan is a vehicle or trailer equipped for living in while traveling.
Segway.
segway
A Segway is a two-wheeled electric vehicle that you control by leaning forward or backward.
Tanker truck.
tanker truck
A tanker truck is a large vehicle used to carry liquids like water, oil, or fuel.
Tram.
Tram. Tram.
A tram is a passenger vehicle that runs on tracks, usually in city streets.
Truck.
Truck. Truck.
A truck is a large motor vehicle used for transporting goods.
Van.
Van. Van.
A van is a medium-sized vehicle used for carrying goods or people.
Scooter.
Scooter. Scooter.
A scooter is a small two-wheeled vehicle powered by a motor or pedals.
Ferry.
Ferry. Ferry.
A ferry is a boat or ship used to carry people or vehicles across water.